Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about my favorite hacks for manifestation. These can just really help speed up your manifestation and just make everything you want come to you so much faster. And guys, I am selling these cute little notebooks on my Etsy store, so I will link them down below if you want to check them out. I also want to feature a comment of the week because you guys have been really nice and kind in the comment section, and I just want to say thank you and bring attention to that. And be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out and helps the channel grow, and I really appreciate it. Okay, let's hop into the video. Number one is to have a reminder of your why around the house so that you see it all the time. So why do you want this manifestation? Why do you want these things? Is it because you want to, I don't know, have a better life for your dog? Is it because you want to just wake up every day and just be filled with joy and gratitude and just live your life to its fullest extent? Whatever it is, like whatever your why is, it's so important to have little reminders of that, whether it is like a little vision board on your phone or like a physical vision board that you keep like in your bedroom, or maybe you write in your gratitude journal every day why it is that you want to manifest these things. And the reason it's so important is because your why is what is going to trigger all of these emotions and feelings. It's the reason why you want these things in the first place. It's all the feeling and emotions that you want to channel in order to get your manifestation to come to you faster. So it's very important to have like little reminders around the house so that you're always like kind of aligning yourself with these emotions and these feelings, and you always have these feelings and emotions, because that's really the secret. That's what's gonna fast track your manifestation and bring it to you so quickly. The second thing is to live in the present and be fully present, and to live in the moment and to enjoy the process. And this is important because when you are living in the present and you are fully dedicated to enjoying the process, you're removing a lot of the blockages that could be kind of blocking your manifestation. Because when you're living in the present, you're removing all the fears and doubts. You're so fully immersed in the presence that you don't have time or energy to be having all these fears and doubts of if it's gonna happen, when it's gonna happen, and you're just removing all those blockages, and because of that, your manifestation is going to come to you so much faster. Number three is to be grateful and to have gratitude. When you're grateful for what you already have in your life currently, you're going to be vibrating at such a high frequency. Gratitude is one of the highest frequencies, gratitude and love. So if you have love and gratitude for your life, for everything that you already have in your life, all the blessings that you already currently have, and you're just vibrating at that frequency of gratitude, what's gonna happen is you're just going to attract more things into your life that's gonna make you even more grateful. And it's really just one of the easiest way and one of the quickest ways to get what you want, is to be grateful for what you already have. Number three is to protect your energy. What I mean by that is if there are people in your life who are negative, who don't believe in what you want to achieve, who want to like instill fear and doubt into you about what it is that you're trying to accomplish, you really want to stay away from that. Even if it's your family members or something like that, then don't ever bring up your manifestations. Don't ever talk to them about it. Keep it to yourself and protect your energy. You never want to bring what you're trying to manifest around people who are negative, who are going to start spewing like fears and doubts, because you could unintentionally pick up on those fears and doubts and start like manifesting that instead. So it's really important to protect yourself and protect your energy. And then on the other hand, if you have people in your life who are very positive and supportive, then those are the people that you're going to want to sort of spend more time with, or those are the kind of people that you want to talk about your manifestation with, because those are the kind of people who will help you think of ways to get closer to your manifestation. They're the kind of people who will support you, whether it's just emotionally, or maybe they will think of connections that could help you get to where you want to be. But those are the people that you want to spend more time with, essentially, and they're the kind of people that you can share your manifestations with. The next hack is to focus. Sometimes we do want to manifest a lot of different things. Like when we envision our dream life, there's all of these parts that we want to manifest. But if you want something to happen faster, what you want to do is focus all of your energy onto that one thing, and to really just envision yourself having that one thing and all of the feelings and emotions that you would have when you've already manifested it. Because when you're kind of putting your energy into multiple projects at once, it's hard to put all of your energy into it, and whatever you put out is what you get back. So sometimes if you really want something, it's kind of important to focus on that thing first, and so you don't diverse your energy into too many things at once. The next one is surround yourself with like-minded people who believe in all of the same things that you believe in, who are trying to manifest all of the same things that you're manifesting. Because when you have that support system, when you kind of tap into a community of people who believe in what you want, it just makes your manifestation a lot stronger. And on the other hand, when you're surrounded with people who don't necessarily believe in what you're trying to do, who want to constantly put you down, it's going to just make it so hard for you to manifest what you desire. That's why it's so important to surround yourself with the right kind of people. And if you're not able to find these people in your physical life, you can always look online for like-minded communities and kind of surround yourself with those energies and those vibrations instead. Next one is to address your belief system. It's so important to remember that whatever you believe will in fact come true, because you will always find evidence that backs up your beliefs, and then that's going to make your belief system stronger. So if your belief systems don't align with what you're trying to manifest, if you have negative belief systems or limiting belief systems, it's so important to address those and to replace them. You want to address them, address why you have these belief systems in the first place, and say why they're not true. It also helps to journal all of this. I think it helps to write it down, because then you can logically see that your limiting belief systems are just not true. You can kind of see where you pick them up from, and then you can let them go. And then what you really want to do next is to adopt a new belief system that's going to support you and help you get closer to your goal. And the last one is to increase your spiritual strength and increase your spiritual resolve by meditating or doing yoga. Because when you strengthen your mind and your belief systems, your positive belief systems, then it's going to be a lot harder for like negative and outside influences to get to you. And it's going to be a lot easier for you to protect your energy when you're around like negative people. Okay, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I will see you next time.